Hi and welcome to my channel Spiralcreativity. Today on the channel we're trying out something new, so hope you like it. We'll be sketching a simple yet a very wonderful bird, toucan. It's always better to sketch using a pencil, and then once you're happy with the image, then you can use a black marker to outline your main image. I have tried to sketch it as simple as possible. Hope you'd like to draw the same at your home. Today, we will be using cheap crayons that are available at your any local stationery shop. On this channel, I shall be using different modes of colors so that you enjoy, and stay tuned to my channel. Please do like and subscribe and leave your comments below. Hope you enjoy. Take care.